Hey guys, it's me. Still in my work clothes. Okay, so I have a friend who just got a Cricut and has just opened it out of the box and is trying to figure out things for her classroom at school. And she was asking me how to take two things and combine them together into one piece. So she was trying to make numbers for around her classroom, and she was having a really hard time getting them to stay in one piece. So I'm going to show you how. So let's see here. I'm going to do what she did. So she did a number 1. And then we're going to change the font. Something cool. That just looks weird. That's even weirder. Okay, here. Apple number 1. And then she wanted to add like a Mickey Mouse head to it, but we're gonna do a heart just to show you what we're doing. Come on, wake up. Okay, so here's the heart. So say I want the heart to attach to it, so I overlap it where I want it to be, and then I'm going to highlight the whole image. And then I'm going to attach it and weld it. So now it's all one image. If you don't want it to be that way, you can, this is just the attach, this is it separate. So I can attach it. So it's two separate images, or it's together now. You can still see that it's two images because I attached it, but like I said, if you weld it, it's all one image. So I'll show you again. Oops. Okay, so in number 1, like what she was doing. She just did a Mickey Mouse silhouette, but okay, so we'll just do this one. Okay, so she was doing something like this, almost exactly, and then so I'm going to attach it. So now it's all one thing. And then we can weld it. So now it's all one thing. So if you go to cut it, it's all one thing. So I hope that helped you guys out, and I will see you another day for another tip trick video.